Hello, I am David DeBusk, and I'm bringing you a special report regarding the 5 red heifers that were transferred last year from the state of Texas to Israel. On August the 8th of 2023, All Israel News reported that just 2 weeks ago, near the site of the biblical Shiloh, where the tabernacle was kept during the time of the judges, that there was a group of Jews descended from the tribe of Levi and the priestly families that enacted a practice run of the purification ceremony. The Torah commands that a red heifer be without spot or blemish and never have worn a yoke. Rabbinic law gives several additional stipulations to the requirement of the red heifer or calf, such as being at least 2 years of age and having no white hairs. The oldest of the red heifers brought from Texas last year is just months away from being the required age to sacrifice for the purification ritual. Back in March of 2023, CBN published an article that stated prophetic anticipation builds unblemished red heifers for the temple ceremony soon to come of age. They stated in the article that it was Brian Stinson from B'nai Israel who helped find the red heifers in the United States. He states, "So we believe that it is very likely that the ceremony would happen somewhere in the area Passover 2024, out to the possibility of Shavuot 2024. Stinson said somewhere in that timeline the cows would be old enough and it would be the proper timeline for the ceremony. Stinson believes that this would be the first possibility for such a ceremony in 2,000 years. Folks, listen to me. It's no small thing that those red heifers were transferred to Israel. That was done in preparation for the purification ceremony and the rebuilding of the third temple. And again, for the first time in 2,000 years, a red heifer could be ready for sacrifice for the Passover that's coming in April of 2024.